This is my first pair of Bluetooth earbuds. Hopefully I won't be disappointed. So yes, I got them. I got the AirPods Pro from Apple and I'm so excited to already start using them. Let's open them up. I gotta admit that Apple knows how to make a cool, clean packaging. Very nice. Usual documents. Ooh, the AirPods themselves. Hallelujah. Feels very solid. Wow, these are very, very small. Very small. Okay, what else we have in the box? We have the cable, which is USB Type-C to Lightning. And we also got extra ear tips. Ear tips. We got very small, large, and the medium are on the AirPods themselves. Okay, let's put them into my ears and see if they're comfortable or not. Okay, this is the right side. Wow, it's kind of weird. Wow. Oh my god, this is so weird. The active noise cancellation is so weird. Everything is quiet. This is so weird. It's like when you put this inside your ears, everything shuts down around you. This is so cool. It's very cool. And these are my first Bluetooth earbuds, like I said, and also my first noise cancelling earbuds or headphones for that matter. I never had anything like it. Okay, turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone, and then open the case, hold near unlocked iPhone. Bluetooth is opened. I'm gonna open the case. Nothing is happening. Oh, wait. Okay, we've got something now. Connect. Connecting. Media control. Press once on either AirPod to play. Pause twice to skip forward. Noise control. Press and hold either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. That's it. Am I connected? Let's try it out. Yes, they're connected. I heard the sound. I'm listening to Joy Division. Alright, so I'm very impressed with the noise cancellation. It's so cool. It's like once you put them into your ears, it's like cuts everything around you. It's just so cool. And boom, it just cuts everything off and it's so cool. The sound quality, as far as I heard now, it's not the best ever, but it's alright. Not really audiophile or something like this. I bought these AirPods for video editing on my iPhone and also listening to songs, listening to podcasts, watching YouTube videos, and also watching some movies on my laptop, on my computer. And yeah, I believe this is going to be a pretty versatile device that's going to give me good sound quality and ease of use, which for me is the most important. I'm going to use these earbuds, the Apple AirPods Pro, for around a week or two until I get really familiar with them. Then I'm going to share with you my honest thoughts on these earbuds, on these AirPods, and if you should buy them for yourself or not. But if you want to buy them right now, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. And I guess I will see you in the next one. Hopefully, I will really enjoy them. Peace out.